How to create a quote. First thing on creating a quote is you select the products that you want. You might go and look for a round plate, round, add these products to a quote. You can do this in two ways. Add it to a quote. Now you can go into your current quote, and you'll see that in your current quote you have no information because you're not logged in or approved. At that point in time, if you are logged in, you can just go into the top, log in. On login, you'll notice that it takes you out of that quote back to this screen over here, which is your profile screen. Go to your current quote, and now you'll see that I have pricing and discounts. And in this screen over here, I have pricing and discounts, multiple prices, multiple discounts. I can select the distributor that I'm quoting if I want to select the distributor. If you notice that as I select this distributor, the discount changed in this field because your distributors are all set up with custom discounts, so you don't have to consider whether the pricing is right. You can change the unit of measure where you click apply all. You can change the unit of measure to each in this case. You can change the quantities. If we wanted to quote one each, we change the quantity to one. What the system's going to tell you here is that in orange we have a problem because these are not in complete case packs. That's not a problem. The discount is correct. We could put a margin on if we weren't quoting a distributor and we want to put let's put a 20% margin on, apply all. At this point in time, we have the whole quote set up. We need to save the quote, so we go to save as. Let's just put in a quote name of test 1. Obviously, you want to populate as many fields as you can over here. You might want to put in a greeting, a footnote, terms and conditions, the street address. All this information shows up on the top of the quote. So if I just type in quickly information just to show you, under the greeting, footnote, and I save the quote. Say OK. We've just got a quote called test. If I re-enter the quote called test under my quotes at the top there, brought us back into this, I can now go and print the quote. If I print the quote, it asks me which features do I want. Yes, I'm happy with everything. Generate the PDF. I generate the PDF. I can either save the PDF. I can either save the PDF directly to my computer, and you'll see here all the information I typed in for the address and everything. You will also see at the top where I typed in the notes and comments as my header, and I've typed in notes and comments as my footer, and my terms and conditions on my quote, which you can populate at all times. You can also go and email the quote directly from the system. When you email the quote, you will automatically be CC'd on this quote. Type in the email address, hit send quote, and that'll be sent to your customer directly from your email address. Another feature is you can put in tax on the quote, freight, install, any other features that you'd like to do. At this point in time, that is how you create a quote.